manager is going to read the steps to me and we walk through it. Apologize for the background noise. At some points the tractor actually has to be on. So what does step 1 say?
Set parking brake and set engine to low idle.
Parking brake is set. Engine's at low idle.
Step 2, install swing lock pin.
Alright. There's your swing lock pin right here. And that goes into the backhoe. So that prevents it from swinging.
Step 3, lift backhoe seat up to clear tractor. Step 4, without raising tractor, lower stabilizers to touch ground. Alright, for step 5, we're going to go ahead and lower boom while keeping dipper vertical.
In order to do that, you got to remove this pin from here, the boom pin. I'm going to store that over here so I don't lose it. So you got to make sure that your dipper is vertical. So there's actually a diagram on the back of the tractor that shows that. We're going to fix that.
Step 6, rest bucket flat on ground with teeth facing tractor as shown. Step 7, continue to extend boom to lightly remove pressure from upper install pins.
Here's your upper install pins. This is what you're trying to take the pressure off of, which we did. That should actually be the next step. Which step are we at? Step 8. Step 8 is remove upper install pins. So we'll do that here. I just set them right on the backhoe.
Step 9, raise boom slowly and backhoe will lift off of tractor.
So raising it, pushing the left stick back. And it's cleared. Let me show them the pins that have cleared. That pin down there is clear, and this one's clear as well.
Step number 10, go ahead and move tractor ahead 8 inches. For step 11, completely raise boom and install boom lock pins.
This is what we need to line up.
Alright, we realized this was pulling pretty tight, so he's going to go ahead and back up to give it a little bit more slack. So just a reminder, you only want to be 8 inches forward. That looks pretty good. Step number 12, go ahead and raise stabilizers up until they lock. Step 13, go ahead and shut off tractor. Up next, number 14, go ahead and disconnect backhoe hydraulics from the tractor.
All right, these two are disconnected. And in step 12, connect these back up, I'm guessing.
Reconnect tractor, power, beyond loop.
Okay. So that's very crucial that you turn the tractor off when you disconnect the backhoe hydraulics from the tractor hydraulics. Once you turn the tractor off, disconnect those, plug these back into each other on the backhoe, and then your rear tractor hydraulics, this is the Power Beyond kit, they need to be plugged back in for the tractor to start back up.
And that was step 15 there on reconnecting tractor power beyond loop.
The last step is step 16, is to reinstall the 3-point hitch assembly. So we're going to go back into the shop to do that real quick. While we have this video up, we'll show you that as well. Install 3-point hitch. First thing I'm going to do is put the top link on. I like to hook the bottom up first, takes a little bit of pressure off. At least start with the one side. And you can come up here. Same thing on this side. Take your pins off first from wherever you're storing them. Whenever I take this off, I always keep my pins on it. That way I don't ever have to look for them. Again, I like to do the bottom one first. And you can prop this on yourself. Double check everything, make sure everything's on, both pins. Top. Alright, we're good. Thanks for watching.